Hello guys, this tutorial is going to be about validation and verification. Validation is a check made by a program to ensure that the data entered is reasonable. Verification is a check performed to ensure that the data entered exactly matches the original source. So, in short words, validation checks the type or format of data. The verification checks that the data is correct. Let's take an example where these processes occur in real terms. First on the way is a validation guard. He will check our password by 7 categories. All this stuff is types of validation. Initially, presence check. It checks that data has been entered into a field. For example, you enter the password into login form. If you have value, you go on. If you don't, or there's a blank space, you will be rejected. Second, format check. It checks that data is in the right format. For example, date format or format of the phone number. Thirdly, length check. It checks the data isn't too short or too long. For example, a password which needs to be 6 letters long. Fourth, lookup table. It looks up acceptable values in a table. For example, there are only 7 possible days of the week. Range check. It checks that a value falls within the specified range. For example, number of hours worked must be less than 50 and more than 0. If it is more or less than this number, then this range, it will be rejected. Spell check. Looks up the words in a dictionary. For example, when words processing. And last one, check digit. It is when the last one or 2 digits in a code are used to check the other digits are correct. For example, barcode readers in supermarkets use the check digits. If you pass all these checks, you will go to the verification guard. This guard will compare the information from the database and the information that you entered to the field. If these informations are equal, your data is accepted.